In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate listen on the Etsy website. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you opened your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, which is going to be your home or your main screen. And of course, if you are already logged in into your account, you'll find a welcome back sentence here with your name. And of course, if you are not logged in into your account or you don't even have an account, you'll find an option at the top right corner here, and maybe instead of shop manager, sign in option. If you click on it, you'll be able to log in into your account or even to create an account if you don't have one. It will be quicker if you could use a Facebook account, Google account, or even an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. So once you did one of the options, which is logging in or creating your account, as we said, you will find yourself here at this page with the welcome back sentence. And as we said in the beginning of the video, if you want to duplicate a listing on your shop, simply you'll need to click at the shop manager at the top right corner option. If you click on that, you'll find yourself here. From here, you'd like to click at the listing option here at the left. And as you can see, here you'll find all your items that you are buying on your shop. Sorry, not buying, selling on your shop. So of course, if you want to duplicate an item, just go to the settings icon, click on it. And as you can see, you will find here an option called copy. So just go and click add copy. And as you can see, you'll find everything copied, and you can just publish the copy if you want. So of course, here they're asking me that they will charge me because I'm going to list another thing. For me, I'm just going to click at cancel. But for you, of course, yeah, just discard the changes. For you, of course, you'll find the same item duplicated here. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.